Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do this, you first need to have account in both Wix and Shopify right here. So in order to do this, let's head over first to Wix right here and then head over their dashboard. So in here, you can head over to there by choosing the site that you want to head over. So let's scroll down and in here you can see the automations. So click on automations. And then from in there, you should be able to see things right here like suggested for you and everything. So click on new automation right here and searching here for welcome. You can see here the welcome new site members. So click on setup right here. And then this will load like this. So let's just here. So in here, the trigger will be when visitor signs up their site. But this one, we can also edit it. And we can put in and select an app to see its triggers. So in here, it can be a site member. And then it can be member logs in or sign up or member approve. So once you have done that, you can head over and do the action, which is send an email. And then in here, it will send an email. So once we're done with that, and click on activate right here. So once it turns something like this because some info is missing. So when you click on send email, you should be able to see the sender details, the template, the email type, and the email notification topics. It can be something like announcement and break that. So click on activate and that should save with no worries. So in here, we have now seen that we have added a new automation. It is now active under Wix. So right now, we need to head over and make sure that we have Zapier also. So just log in to your account on Zapier. And then from in there, just head over and create the new Zap. So click on trigger right here. And then choose Wix automations right here as the trigger. So let's search in here for Wix. So here's Wix right here. Click on that. And then in here, you can see the Wix. So we can choose an event. So we can choose something like members and contacts or Wix custom triggers. So we already have pre-made Wix automation. So click on the Wix custom triggers. And then this is what starts this out. After that, click on continue. And then in here, you need to make sure to connect your Wix. So click on sign in right here. And then a new window will open that will allow you to connect your Wix account in here. So select a site to install Zapier. So for this, let's just the our addresses. Click on select. And then this will install Zapier to the specific site that we have chosen. So once it's done loading, as you can see, this will load here again. Then click on continue. And then in here, you can put in automation rule. So the rule can be anything that you want. So you can put in here email. And then it will put you to the field. Just choose the value. Or it can also be customized. So in here, you can also refresh the fields so if you knew what it will look like. So right now, let's head over to action. And then in here, let's choose Shopify. Then from in there, just click on choose event. And then from in there, make sure to choose this right here, which is the custom actions. So head over to this create customer or this create order. And that is performed when the lock runs. So if you don't want to choose this one, you can also search in here for another action that involves email if you want. But for me, I'll just choose this create order in Shopify. So once I have done that, I can actually head over and click on continue. And then in here, I will have prompted to connect my Shopify. So I click on sign in, and then this will open another window again, wherein I will be able to connect my Shopify. So just put in here the link of your Shopify account and click on continue to Shopify right here. So the link of my Shopify account is right here on my store. So let's click on that. Click on all stores. And then from in here, the loading, we'll be able to see the link of our store that we have right here. So this is my Shopify, so I just need to head over and make sure to copy the link for that. So here it is right here. So just put that to the other thing that has been added right here. And then click on continue to Shopify. Once it has been added there, it will be redirected to the admin shop of the Shopify wherein the account has been connected to Zapier. So right now, click on install. And then once it's been installed, we'll be able to see that this has been added right here. So click on continue. And we can actually head over and put in action. So the email can be welcome our new member. So just put in something like that, and you can also insert data, which is from the Wix custom triggers. So in here, we need to complete this step first in order to proceed. So in here, just choose the automation rule, and then also add the values right here. So once you're done with that, you should be able to see this and click on this test step right here in order to see if the connection and automation of this two right here has been connected. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to connect Shopify to Wix. If you have found this video helpful, then please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!